So the idea for Unity Arts Festival is essentially to link the communities at Leamouth Peninsula together via the arts.
I think the island's amazing. It's got an amazing demographic of people. There's so much unity between all different types of people, a lot of creative.
The Unity Festival has been representing what this place can effectively be, and it's very, very, very exciting.
So it's been really great working with everybody who lives and works here at London City Island, Goodluck Hope and Trinity Buoy Wharf. We've had bum bag making workshops, we've had art classes, we've had ceramic classes, we've had motion picture, E&B dancing, so we've had it all, and it's been great.
When it comes to the arts and property developers, Ballymore really do seem to be leading the way, which is fantastic.